actually, most times I see your the post on social media and I share it to my profile, with pride. And it's also joy for me to see sometimes they post, okay, who is the top 5 governors in Nigeria? And if you go to the comments, everyone is saying, where is Otti? Where is Abia State Governor? And this is very, very, very impressive. And I want to congratulate you for all you have done. So I've been working on the project. Me and my team, we have a lot of collaborations from clubs in Spain, in Romania, even in Chelsea as well. So these guys, they want to come. They want to come to Nigeria and, and see these talents. So I have a project that I want to embark on from the end of this year until summer. And I've been working on it, but I said there's no way I will start it in Abuja or in Lagos. I have to come home and start it from here. And that's actually one of the reasons why we came to, seek your permission also to tell you about the project, and also ask you if there is any other way you. I'm happy our youth guys here, if there's any way we can use my platform as well to help, the youth, especially through football.
Thank you so much for that beautiful presentation of
Because a good job, okay? You spoke so well, man. Keep it up, man.